Yung price is 1,195,000 pesos. So this is 320,000. Good choice, ma'am. Kasi yung value ng Hermes hindi masyadong mababa.
Hindi yung laging tumataas.
Especially Birkin. Kasi it's not a bag, it's a Birkin.
It's a Birkin.
New day, new bag. We have Miss Juvie. Hello. From US.
From US, yes.
From US. Ano to, ma'am? Biglaan lang na, no?
No, I check
Purchase?
already ni, yung
Website?
si Rara.
In communication
Yeah,
na kayo
nag-communicate na kami. Then sabi ko, I wanna
with
see it
Rara.
in the person para lang So, okay. So, pwede ka tumingin ng personal ko. Yeah, I'll be there.
But for Birkin na kayo?
Yes, yeah. That one already. Sa TikTok, I saw that.
The size 25
Yeah,
na.
and I love it, yeah.
How about the color, ma'am? Any neutral?
Gusto ko yung kulay. I love the color.
This one talaga, the verdigris. This
yeah.
is verdigris, ma'am. Yung color na verdigris, ma'am, it's a combination of gray and green. So, dark gray siya with undertone ng green. Pag indoor, mukha siyang super dark gray. Minsan nga parang black.
Yung media, I like
Yes.
it. The gold too.
Yung
It's a good
gold
combination,
color, yes. And then outdoor, dun mo makikita yung undertone na green. So, may character yung color
Kaya
niya.
nga.
Diba?
Diba?
Ang ganda niya, diba, ma'am? Hindi siya boring na color.
Exactly. May gold
And then,
pa.
paired with gold hardware. Perfect combination. So, yung condition nito, ma'am, is unused, good as new. Sticker niya, all intact. Yung price is 1,195,000 pesos. This is Stamp U 2022, by the way.
22.
So, inclusion niya, we have the Legit Grills authentication naman, raincoat, care booklet, and then box. This is for you, ma'am, yung Birkin 25.
That's my first break.
First Birkin. First Hermes din?
Yes.
Good choice, ma'am. Kasi yung value ng Hermes hindi masyadong mababa.
Hindi yung laging tumataas.
Tsaka siya yung top tier talaga,
Exactly,
Hermes.
yeah.
Especially Birkin. Kasi it's not a bag, it's a Birkin.
It's a Birkin.
Bag weight. Tapos yung isa, nag-add ka pa, ma'am.
I did, yeah.
Kelly
I like
to
the color.
go, gold on gold. Ito, ma'am, inad mo lang dito.
Yeah,
Personally.
actually, I saw that, but I preferred my gold. Yung pinakita niya sa akin na gold, that one.
Itong ito.
Yeah, but I
Palladium.
prefer that one because may gold siya. So, bagay siya. Gagawin kong wallet.
Wallet
Yeah,
inside. Ang maganda nga sa Kelly to go, you can use it as wallet and bag at the same time.
Yes.
Ganda, di ba,
Yeah.
ma'am? Considered wallet on chain. Tsaka, ma'am, sought after yung combination. Gold on gold.
Yeah.
Perfect
Cute
combination.
siya.
Yes. Ito gold, tapos gold.
Gold, yeah.
And then yung leather niya is Epsom leather. Tapos kasya yung iPhone dito. And then di mo na kailangan maglagay ng mini wallet kasi wallet na nga siya. Meron na siyang mga card slots inside.
Nice.
So this is 320,000. Stamp B 2023, gold on gold. Ma'am, wala talaga siyang dust bag for the bag kasi it's considered small leather goods. Sa Hermes, kapag small leather good, wala siyang
Wala
dust
yung dust
bag.
bag, yeah.
But meron siyang dust bag for the strap. Ang cute, no?
At least meron.
Kaya nga nilagyan ng dust bag yung strap. Yung mismong wallet, wala. Ang cute. Ito wallet, ito bag.
It's very pretty, right?
Yes.
Kaano lang ng size
And
ko.
you're pretty as well,
I mean, like, kaano lang ng size ko.
Very petite. Ang cute. Before mo, di ba hindi uso yung small bags?
Ngayon,
usong
demand
uso.
siya, demand talaga.
Sa Hermes, the smaller the bag, the more expensive it is.
Exactly.
Lalo na yung mini Kelly, nakakita na yun.
Ay, mini Kelly, yeah.
Sobrang mahal nun, ma'am. Pero ang ganda.
Maganda, pero
And
siguro,
worth
someday.
Next mo, ma'am, mini
Next
Kelly.
na lang, yeah.
That's my ultimate dream bag.
Save mo na ng save.
Thank you, mama.
No problem.
Thank
You're welcome.
you,
Thank
Nandi.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Juvie.
Thank you.